Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vero, and in today's video I'm going to be setting up a beginner bullet journal for the month of April. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. It takes literally 2 seconds, costs you nothing, but totally makes my day. For April, I decided to go with floral letters, and I've actually included a free printable down below so that you can have a guide as to how to do these floral letters with me. I've broken down my video into different parts listed here on the screen so you can jump ahead if you find some parts irrelevant. The spreads I'll be creating are the month overview, a social media planner, a finance tracker, and the 4 weekly spreads of April. So here I'm just setting up the month overview by using my floral letters, and here you'll just see the quick process of me doing the letters. Sometimes I fill in the whole letter before moving on to another one, and sometimes I just fill in one flower on every single letter and then go back with the next flower. Really depends. Here I just wanted to include real-time footage of me doing the flowers because obviously it's not as fast as you see in time-lapse mode. So this single letter took me 40 seconds to do. And once all the flowers are done, I go in with a slightly fatter pen to draw in the lines so that you can see the structure better. And now with a ruler, I'm just drawing out the lines to create the calendar. I decided like halfway through drawing these lines that I didn't want to draw more lines, so I changed the calendar outlook, which is basically what you can see now, and I've just written the numbers on the side so that it's not a box but like more of a line separated monthly calendar. Did that make sense? Anyway, you can see it in the video. Just drawn out the guidelines that you can find in my printable, and these help me with the flower placements. And if you're not already sick of watching me draw flowers and letters, here's another quick time lapse. If you watched my video from last month, you'll know about this social media plan already, but just in case, basically my friend asked for a social media planner spread in his bullet journal, and so that's what I'm doing right here. And because floral letters by themselves weren't enough, I added this small little floral detail on the left-hand corner for an added pop. For the finance tracker, I wanted to add in some more real-time footage of me just planning out the letters. Sorry for the blurs. For the finance page, if you haven't watched last month's video, I basically split the page into 4 different columns and divide them by date, item, category, and cost. This is because I include another finance tracker at the beginning of the bullet journal where you divide the costs by categories at the end of each month. And I've included another photo here on the right hand corner. Here I'm just doing the floral letters for the notes page, and I just wanted to include another close-up view of me doing this, sped up obviously, so that you could have a better idea of how it looks. So now I'll be planning the weekly spreads, and so the first weekly spread is this vertical spread where I wrote the week on the side. Just for an idea, each letter took me about 1 minute to draw out. For my next weekly spread, I divided the page into 8 different boxes, where I started drawing flowers around the month of April and the little calendar. This actually took me way longer than I wanted to, so let's speed through this. I also included floral details to the boxes, and with a ruler I drew those boxes out. For the next weekly, I decided to grab a black pen and black out the top 5 rows of each page of this spread, and then use a white pen to write out my floral letters. And of course, if you don't have a black pen and a white pen, you can just use a black pen on the white paper. In hindsight, it was a terrible idea to use a black pen to black out this surface, and I should have just used black paper instead, which is what I end up doing in the following months, which if you stay tuned for next month, you'll see this. Actually, I take that last statement back. I actually used black paper for this current weekly spread that we're looking at. And here's a time lapse of me drawing those white flowers onto black paper. And now I'm planning out the last weekly spread of April, and I'm just time-lapsed all the flowers because I think at this point of the video we're getting a bit bored of seeing me draw flowers. And for this little banner here, I totally regret starting out doing this because this took me forever. But if you want to suffer like I did, please go ahead and copy out those flowers, which I did, and I outlined the week 17 in the center of the banner. And we've come to the end of our floral journey, and here is a quick flip through of the month of April. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll tune in next month to see me plan the month of May. For May, I decided to go with paper cranes, which is a very fun doodle to draw, although time consuming. And yes, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye!